Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.